Hi guys, so this is exciting. Something just came in, and I'm gonna unbox it and we'll see what happens. Something new. Timex. All right. Nice packages. Whoa! Look at that. It's the Waterbury Heritage Chronograph. Wow. Looks pretty nice. Nice payload too. Let's take it off. Wow. Nice bracelet. Nice package. Let's unwrap it and take a look at this dial. I expected the dial to be more bluer. It looks like silver kind of, but let's take a look. It is blue. It's just so light. So the blue color is like ice blue. And yeah, the dial is amazing on this. Let's see how it fits on my big wrist. I was asking them to mail me some links also, but they say, hey, sorry, we don't do that. Luckily, it fits good. This bracelet is still wrapped in a package. No. But the watch is unwrapped. Wow. A stunner, huh? Love it. Looks so good. Let's see if it works. We're gonna have to, I guess, remove the control plastic thing and push it in and see. Let's set the time. Huh? It's running. It's pretty nice. Didn't expect it to be this nice, I'm telling you. The bracelet especially, I mean, it's one of those bracelets that you can adjust without tools. Yeah, definitely looks beautiful. Definitely looks amazing. So, of course, we'll do a full review sometime after I wear it a little bit, and I'll tell you how I feel about it. But from the first impressions, it's very nice. So, Timex Waterbury Heritage Chronograph, 39mm stainless steel with this ice blue color. Amazing. Really happy with this purchase. So, all right, take care. Talk to you later. God bless.